In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile in Xero without bank feeds. Starting off, it's important to have your financial data organized and within reach. This will make the reconciliation process smoother and quicker. The first step in this journey is to navigate to Xero's website. Once there, you'll notice the login button at the top right corner of the page. Click on that button and you'll be prompted to enter your email and password. This is your key to unlock the vast array of functionalities that Xero provides. After entering your credentials, click on Login to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, it's time to dive deeper. Look for the Accounting tab. This is where the magic begins. Xero organizes its vast features under intuitive categories, and accounting is where your financial transactions live, ready for reconciliation. Once you've clicked on Accounting, your next stop is Bank Accounts. This section is crucial for reconciliation as it shows a snapshot of your financial transactions. Here we don't have bank feeds to bring in our transactions automatically, so we'll be doing this the manual way. Next, navigate to the Manage Account option for the bank account you intend to reconcile. Xero allows for meticulous financial management, and this step brings you closer to your goal. In Manage Account, there's an option to reconcile account. Click on it. With no bank feeds, this part is slightly laborious but essential. The heart of reconciliation lies in matching your transactions. Press the Find and Match button to proceed. This functionality is designed to help you manually match transactions, similar to how bank feeds would have. The aim is to ensure that every transaction on your statement matches one in Xero. Now click on your transaction that you wish to reconcile. It's essential to verify that the information corresponds with your records. Accuracy at this point cannot be overstated. If a transaction doesn't exist in Xero, you will be creating it manually, which brings us to our next step. Click on New Transaction. Here you will find multiple options: Receive Money, Direct Payment, and Overpayment. Choose the one that reflects your transaction's nature accurately. For instance, Receive Money is selected for income or funds received, Direct Payment for expenses, and Overpayment for any transaction that exceeds the invoice or bill amount. After inputting all the necessary details for your transaction, make sure everything is correct. This is your last line of defense against financial discrepancies in your records. Once satisfied, click on Save Transaction. This action essentially records the transaction in your Xero account, prepping it for the final act of reconciliation. With all relevant transactions correctly entered and saved, you're at the final stretch. Locate the Reconcile button and give it a click. This action finalizes the process, marrying your manual entries with your financial data, ensuring that everything is as it should be. In summary, while bank feeds simplify reconciliation in Xero, the manual process remains straightforward, especially with a clear understanding of each step. Remember, the key to a smooth reconciliation process is the accuracy and completeness of your financial data. Double check your entries and make sure you match them correctly to avoid discrepancies. That wraps up our guide on how to reconcile in Xero without bank feeds. I hope this video has given you the knowledge and confidence to manage your accounts with ease, ensuring your business's financial health is always in check. Whether you're new to Xero or looking to sharpen your reconciliation skills, remember, practice makes perfect. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on how to make the most out of Xero for your business.